I think you should join the community because managing change like implementation of these cloud solutions on your own is hard work. You're working with an organization that many times doesn't understand what you're asking them to do. The community is a bunch of people who've been there, done that. You've got access to the product experts, you've got access to people who've already done and led these changes. And it's a fabulous way to get insights, tips and tricks that'll just help you forward and solve those little and big problems that you need.
The really benefit in terms of the community for me is the breadth of talent and the knowledge that's going to be there. So it's really going across the whole of the Microsoft stack. And so our job in terms of IT pros and development and a lot of the things that we're facing inside of our business touches every single piece of our business, but it also touches every part of our technology infrastructure.
So join a community if they want to know more than they know themselves. That's the basic answer. Everybody's got a point of view, everybody's got some knowledge to add, everybody's got a perspective that may or may not add value.
The community is thousands of eyes, and as I say, they're probably all looking for the same things you are. There's a good chance if you say, hey, why is this working like this? You'll get an answer almost immediately. It's working like this because, or you know what, you spotted something that's bad or good, you should raise a ticket. And by doing that, you've got a support network which is way, way bigger than any single help desk.
Having the community is sort of like, it's this kind of like this cushion, if you will, or I just feel more confident that if in doubt, I know where to go when I need help or when I need to resolve, a major issue. And most of the time, I've gone there and I've gotten my answers. And if I don't get the answers immediately, a few days later, I go back and someone has either answered it or directed me to someone else. And so it's just really nice to know. It's kind of like a security blanket, for me to know that it's there and that my colleague and I can use it as a resource.
I came to Microsoft Ignite for my first time this year, and people, oddly, were happy to meet me. And they remembered my name from online and things that I had shared and perhaps ways I was able to help. And I know that I've been able to meet folks who have really been able to help me. So to really support and foster that sense of community has really been a wonderful thing.
The conversations are open. It's not your typical forum. It's not like going and categorizing your answers and posting things. It's more about this open experience, which what we found in the community is we do end up finding the answer from all different sources. In that conversation thread, you'll be getting a lot of different viewpoints. So if you ask your question, you'll be hearing examples from one business vertical, another business vertical, someone else's IT pro experience. So there's a lot of benefit in all the knowledge that's there.
I think most of us have a desire to either teach or learn. And in a true community, you get to do both. Within the community, there's a lot of experts out there. One of my favorite experts, Tony Redmond, and I know he's in there, and he and I can trade back information. But to hear somebody that is a subject matter expert speak with passion and conviction of what they're doing, it doesn't just draw me in, it draws in my coworkers, it draws in other people in the community, and it's such a good way to get powerful information out to a larger group of people. And having those conversations with people like that, you probably couldn't have anywhere else. It's important.